Hello everyone, Namaskar. I hope that you all are fine and well. Welcome to English grammar class. This is Dashita ma'am and today we are going to learn chapter number 13, articles a and the. So dear kids, let's get started. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. Alright, and they are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Out of this, the 5 letters, that is A, E, I, O, U are vowels. In सब में से 5 letter, that is A, then E, then I, O and U are vowels. What are they? Vowels. When a word starts with vowel or most specifically with the vowel sound, we use N. जब कोई भी वर्ड वॉवल से स्टार्ट होता है या फिर उसके साउंड से स्टार्ट होता है, वॉवल के साउंड से, तब वहां पे हम क्या लगाते हैं? AN, N. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, an engine, an umbrella. Both of the words are starting with vowel letters E and U. So we had put N before it. Now let us see the use of A. The remaining letters of English alphabets other than A, E, I, O, U are consonants. अब जो remaining letters होते हैं rather than A, E, I, O, U are consonants. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So when a word starts with this consonant letter or a consonant sound, we use A. जब कोई भी वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर या कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से स्टार्ट होता है तब हम क्या लगाते हैं? अ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ पेन, अ comb, a toothbrush, a ball. Now dear kids, if you observe carefully, you will see that the use of A or N depends on the opening sound of the word, not only the actual letter with which it begins. इसका मतलब है कि अगर आपने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा तो आप देखोगे कि the use of A or N depends on the opening sound of the word. यानी वर्ड के ओपनिंग साउंड से पता चलता है कि हम अ लगाएंगे कि एन लगाएंगे, नॉट with the actual letter with which it begins. Sometimes a word may begins with consonant, but we use the word N before it. Do you know why this happens? Let's see. As for example, dash R. Here H is silent. H letter तो consonant है, मगर H यहाँ पे silent है, तो इसका opening sound क्या आ रहा है? अ आ रहा है, R बोल रहे हैं हम. That's why we had written N. Word hat also begins with H, but here the H is sound with H. यहाँ पे हम hat बोल रहे हैं तो H का sound आ रहा है, so it's a consonant sound. That's why we had written A. Let us take some more examples. Dash unicorn. Here the vowel U has consonant sound Y. यहाँ पे यूनिकॉर्न जब हम बोल रहे हैं तो य यानी Y का साउंड आ रहा है. यूनिकॉर्न. The spelling is UNICORN, but the sound is coming of Y. Here the next example is dash umbrella. However, in the case of the word umbrella, it begins with the letter vowel U, but it has the vowel sound A. Umbrella यानी अ का साउंड आ रहा है, so we use the word N before such sounds. So what we had learned, wherever the vowel sound letter word is there, wherever the word starts with A, E, I, O, U, we put N. And wherever there is a consonant sound word, we put A. Now let's see the use of the. We use the word the before nouns to refer a particular person, place or thing. हम द का यूज तब करते हैं जब हमें पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, प्लेस या थिंग को रिफर करना होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जिया हैज टू पैक द रेड हैट दैट हर आंट गेव हर. जिया को रेड हैट पैक करनी है जो उसकी आंट ने उसको दी थी. हियर वी आर स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन, हियर दे स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन कि वो हैट उसको पैक करनी है जो उसकी आंट ने उसको दी थी. दैट्स व्हाई दे हैड रिटन द. In the sentence, the red hat refers to the particular hat that her aunt gave her. Now the word the used before a noun which refers to only one thing of its kind. There is only one sun and one earth. Though we say the earth is round, the sun is shining. The word the is used before a noun which refer to the whole class of person, place, animal or thing. For example, the giraffe is the tallest animal. Here the giraffe refers to all giraffe. The word the is also used before the name of some famous places, building, statues and books. The examples for that is the Himalayas, the Indian Ocean, the Taj Mahal, the Bible, the Ramayana and etc. The three words we had just learned about are a and the. These articles are actually adjectives that qualifies noun. A and an are used before noun that are singular in number. The is used before noun that are singular or plural in number. Now take out your notebook, pencil and let's start writing extra grammar exercise. In your notebooks, give heading chapter number 13 A and the, and write it down extra grammar exercise. Now give another subheading, fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Then write the first question. Our office is in dash old building. First we will write all the questions, then we will be writing the answers. Our office is in dash old building. Now come to the next one. Where is dash pen? I lent to you last week? Question mark. Where is dash pen? I lent to you last week. Then come to the next question. I like dash blue dress more than the red one. I like dash blue dress more than the red one. Now let's write the next one. Dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. Dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. Then write the next one. Our neighbors have dash cat and dash dog. Our neighbors have dash cat and dash dog. Then come to the next one. I bought dash pencil yesterday. I can't find dash pencil now. I bought dash pencil yesterday. I can't find dash pencil now. Now come to G1. Please bring me dash box lying at the corner. Please bring me dash box lying at the corner. Then write the last one. There is dash rainbow in dash sky. There is dash rainbow in dash sky. So all of you have written the questions. Now let's write the answers of it. And the answers are: our office is in an old building. The next answer is: where is the pen I lent to you last week? Here we are talking about particular pen, so we had written the. Then I like the blue dress more than the red one. Specifically I had mentioned the blue dress, that's why we had written the. Now the next is: an apple a day keeps the doctor away. N will come here because apple is vowel sound word. Our neighbors have a cat and a dog. Both are consonant sound words. So we had written a cat and a dog. Now come to next one. I bought a pencil yesterday. I can't find the pencil now. I bought a pencil yesterday. I can't find the pencil now. Then come to G1. Please bring me the box lying at the corner. Here also it is specifically mentioned. Please bring me the box lying at the corner. Then come to H1, the last one. There is a rainbow in the sky. There is a rainbow in the sky. I hope that all of you have written questions and the answers of exercise number 1. Now write down your homework. Exercise number 2. Write the where necessary. जहाँ पे भी द की ज़रूरत है आपको वहाँ पे द लगाना है. This is question number 2. Write the where necessary. The first is dash New York. Second is dash sun. Third is dash China. D is dash Tommy. E is dash Taj Mahal. F is India Gate. G dash India. Then write it down the H1 dash Gangas. then I dash Himalayas, and J dash Lily. Now I hope that you know where we write the. We use the word the before nouns to refer a particular person, place or thing, or we can say the word the used before a noun which refers to only one thing of its kind. Dear kids, exercise number 2, write the where necessary is your homework. And if you face difficulty, feel free to ask me. Till then, keep studying, keep practicing grammar, be happy, take care and thank you.